Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Have fun.
Pat made it look easy. It is wicked up there.
A lot of turbulence today.
I don't know how Pat flew like he flew.
Past the other end of the runway.
Yeah.
Slow down and come close. There you go. Oh, well, you did a good loop for next practice for next time.
Can you do an outside loop halfway through while you're upside down? There you go. You bring it in, we'll watch where it goes.
Just worry about flying your plane.
Yeah.
Land.
I was doing all right till I couldn't get it off. Then the name of the game was try to get it off.
The grass might be the better place to land it today.
Sorry, Dave, but that's a 0.
Yeah. I had high hopes.
That's way out there.
I'll get it if you think you know where it went, because I couldn't see it.
I know where it is. Generically, I know. We're not going to worry about it.
Yeah, there might be company out there saying I was just do them all at once.
That'd be
It's your turn, John.
All right.
Let me go.
Perfect.
You're on TV.
All right, I should probably put a ring on.
Yeah, I mean,
Wait a minute. Somebody knows something we don't know.
Wait a minute. Oh.
I see the strap.
Oh.
Yeah.
I heard that reverse.
What?
is that where you want it? On that one side?
Why, do you think there's a better spot?
No, that's fine.
It's
Might
just
be
slightly
good.
forward. Oh, perfect. I get the crappy crossway. Okay.
I think
So I gotta go
everybody.
out, around, and then I can drop.
Yeah, however you want to do it. Past one end of the runway, past one other end of the
No
runway.
time limit. I can take my time.
Yep, no time limit.
So how's it going?
Oh my God.
Try to reverse.
Hold on.
Time is a virtue.
It's kind of coming this way in general. I don't know. I might be better off. Yeah. Let's do that. Right now, we're kind of from left to right. Yeah.
Punch it and get in the air quick.
I'm lost.
You're good that way. Good. The other end.
Yeah, the wind just about stopped.
It's the best one so far.
Hopefully.
Nice. Oh.
Somebody can beat that. Oh, good job.
Maybe 15, 30 feet off.
No.
Oh, whoa.
I can see.
That's why I said you're the best one.
I thought it was in the brush.
Oh, the wind just about stopped. It dropped straight down.
Oh.
Yeah, if you just went a few feet over, you'd had it right on. But I modified my premise so that it's got
Okay, you got left, Bruce. And that's right. Oh, there you go. Oh, you're closer than I was.
Hit the dot if he fell off the first time.
Good job.
You definitely got it.
You would have been right on the money the first time, wouldn't you?
Yeah, yeah. The first time, I think I hit
Oh man, I need a second try.
I think Bruce is in the lead now.
Oh yeah, he's definitely got it closer than mine.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
The edge of the runway now.
For a second, it looked like it wasn't a hole.
Somebody got a hold of this thing.
I got it.
I think it's a crosswind towards us right now. Ooh. Oh, you lost it already, Pat. Or is that just the luck of the draw?
We did it.
Got some fire going.
Oh, we're not doing that yet. This one's not timed. Ooh.
2, 3. Oh no! 4. I still have
Level out.
I think he just lost. I think he lost the ring. Yeah. No, I just saw it fall over there.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. No, it's gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. You don't have to do them in workout. You can do them over here. I think I took it too far back.
Ooh. All right, this is 3 loops, right?
Gosh.
1, 2.
I don't know if I'm getting him good or
Where
not.
are you going? Do them coming. Do another one coming this direction. That way, you're probably in the wind. Three.
All right, let's see another bullseye.
Yep. Come down. You got to get lower.
Oh, there it is. Over there by the. Yeah, it just fell. Way out there. Way out.
I don't think anybody
That wind is tough, man. Bruce, you did a good job.
This wind is something, I tell you what.
It's awful. Yeah, it's awful.
Well, I feel a little better. Flying sideways.
The thing is, I ain't trying.
Same spot.
It's that wind is just taking me.
If you were straight up.
One, 2, 3. It is awful. There you go.
Oh well.
That's still within 100. You got to score at least.
Dang.
How tight, Bruce? I think it's coming along pretty well, though.
Yeah. Fun building though, isn't it?
Yeah, I took me about a week to get more done, but I got a bunch done last night.
It's fun.
Say when you're ready.
I just go fast, hopefully. Go.
Go.
Yeah, ready?
Nice.
Right on the edge, perfect.
This is I remember him. My eyelids were down too far, and I just raised them back. Oh, okay. When they do that, so it's got bruises everywhere, man. I can't. I'm always worried. Well, look where these guys are. I probably could have won.
Give me a second before you go in. I'll take
I didn't say that. You take. I quit flying before you. I mean, have a good stick.
2 minutes left.
Right. Midwest. Right.
Yeah.
Now get a boot. I took it on the
Oh, it came off. I didn't see it come off. There you go.
5 seconds.
Ooh. There you go.
Oh man.
It's still measurable. That's just within the grass. You want another, Pat?
You gonna do another one? Oh, that's
He's
right.
got 30-some seconds.
I'm sorry, man.
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry
I
about
thought it was the end.
We can give him 10 seconds back.
Yeah, let's give him 10 seconds back, man. Took it off again. And if they
My
came
fault.
around there,
We'll give him 20 seconds.
Yeah.
nose out.
There you go.
That was perfect timing. Good job. That's good.
Did you see where that one came down there?
Just to the left of
Yeah,
the
just
other one.
yeah.
Just a couple of steps into the grass. Good job, Pat. I'm gonna go across.
Two minutes.
Thank you.
The wind's feeling a little nicer right now. Maybe not.
Shut it off.
Ooh.
I hope somebody had that on. You got that on camera?
It's not going to be a tight angle, but I got it.
So it counts. Son of a gun. Oh well. It was fun while it lasted.
Hey, you know what? That's still probably within 100 feet.
Did you see the motor come out?
Yeah, and it like spun around.
Oh man, I love them all, bro.
Hey, just to be fair, we have 2 rings to measure. Nope. Not from what I understood.
I can fix that.
Yeah, that's fixable, man.
I'd like for you to send me that if you can somehow.
Sure. We'll get it to you.
Damn. Well, I think I'm out of action.
Honestly, well, that was the last one anyway. But
Yeah.
honestly, I don't think you did too bad.
No, I think
You're missing a support here. Oh, no, there it is. There she is.
Mm-hmm.
You fix your supports and throw your motor back in.
And it's good.
How the hell did
Fixed
you
up.
manage to get that?
I don't know how
Dude, there's nothing wrong with it, really.
I mean, I don't even know. It's the wind screwed with me.
No, I mean, like, how did you manage to do that much and it came out so well?
I thought it was funny when it's flying along. The motor started flying away from the plane.
Well, don't move that. They're gonna measure that.
Oh, that's over 100 feet.
You think so? I'm bad with judging.
Yeah.
I know, I told him this could be a pity.
I'm gonna wait till this is over. As soon as I throttle off, go ahead and take it over. Alright, I'm ready.
Hey, go, 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 go! Oh, man, you got the record for
I only did it on purpose.
You were gonna copy me.
I almost did. Yeah, my hands are freaking shaking.
I know you're using that wind though, that's good.
I'm trying.
And you're jammed.
That wind will slow you down if you use it right.
What's my landing gear? I don't know what I did, but we're going to worry about that later.
Minute 30. James, you demand the coach. Holy moly.
Probably not going to make another one. Let's see if I can get her back in time.
2 seconds, you can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah, I just
Tailwind.
Getting heart beating crazy.
All right, ready?
Yep. Go.
That looks good, Bruce. Ooh, he's getting hit hard right now. Ooh. Very well done. That was a good catch, man. That's another good one.
It ain't 10, 11 foot. We're not done yet. If I get 2 more.
Yeah, if you get 2 more, you're gonna negate my 10, 11 footer. Ooh. That one's pretty damn close.
You're gonna get 4, Bruce.
Much time do I have left?
147.
You might get 5.
Maybe 6.
Ooh.
Come on. You had the formula, it just didn't mix right.
Oh.
That's a go. You got up. You're up. It's a dying swimmer. He had it down pat too. Well, I don't know. I didn't do that. Not like I pushed the wind, man.
It was right there. Yeah, well that's the good one.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Right.
Oh, shit. Why do you I don't know, man. I'm sorry, Bruce.
That's the good one. The other one's still on
Can I
him.
mulligan it and kick it a few times? The
Yeah,
other one
just
is
go
still
like
on?
that.
Hey, Dave. Yeah. Here I am.
I think he thought that was the one that fell off.
See Bruce out of the trophy. I thought that was the one that fell off the plane. If I pick it up and shake it, does that count?
It's already off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I broke the whole thing off. Broke the prop. 43 feet.